Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olivia, and today I am going to be sharing with you 6 wall molding design ideas for bedrooms. Now, you know me, I am all about decorating on a budget and really creating that designer look for less. So, I am sharing all of my decorating tricks so that you can create the same look in your home as well. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, hit that like button, and I want to give a huge thank wall. Molding can add a touch of sophistication, depth, and texture to any space, transforming a simple bedroom wall into a stunning focal point. From classic paneling and wainscoting to modern geometric patterns, we'll explore a variety of molding styles to suit different design preferences. Whether you're looking to create a cozy traditional vibe or a sleek, contemporary look, these ideas will inspire you to elevate your bedroom decor with stylish and timeless wall moldings. Let's get started. Bedroom wall molding design ideas. 1. Wooden molding design for a warm look. If you want to add a rustic texture to the wall, you can add these wooden modules on either side of the walls. This adds a rustic feel to the entire space. Add a wall art in the center to accentuate the beauty of the room. 2. Box wall molding design to add luxe to your walls. Box molding is a type of panel molding that creates a series of rectangles on the wall. The rectangles can be the same size or varying sizes and can be painted in a contrasting color or left white for a classic look. Box molding adds a touch of sophistication to any room and is a great way to add texture and dimension to a plain wall. 3. Crown molding for a classy look. Crown molding is a timeless and classic design that can elevate any room in your home. This type of molding is typically installed where the wall meets the ceiling and can be made of wood or plaster. Crown molding comes in a variety of styles and sizes, making it a versatile option for any design aesthetic. 4. Wooden fluted molding for subtle warmth. Narrow, vertical panels of wood or MDF adds a quirk vibe to your room. They are lighter to the eye and match with any interior style. These adds texture and depth to a room and is a great way to add a cottage or coastal vibe. 5. Picture frame PVC wall molding design. Picture frame PVC wall molding design is a type of wall molding that creates a border around a wall and is made of PVC. It can be installed in a square or a rectangular pattern, creating a series of frames on the wall. Picture frame molding can be painted in a contrasting color or left white for a classic look. 6. Wainscoting molding design on wall. Wainscoting is a type of molding that is installed on the walls. It can be made of wood, MDF, or other materials and helps to texture and depth to a room. It is a great way to break the monotony of a large wall. Thanks for watching. We hope these wall molding design ideas have sparked some inspiration for transforming your bedroom into a more stylish and inviting space. Wall molding is such a versatile design element. It can add character, charm, and even a bit of luxury, no matter your style. Whether you go for a classic look or a more modern touch, there's a perfect wall molding idea for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on more home design tips and inspiration. Let us know in the comments which wall molding idea was your favorite, and happy decorating!